Hi friends and welcome back. I have a Valentine's DIY sign, so let's not waste any time and let's jump into this DIY. So what you'll need for this DIY is this Dollar Tree sign, and I will be removing the surface of the sign using this little spatula. And if you guys are interested in the spatula, I will link where I got this in the description box below if you guys are interested. But anyways, once I was done removing the paper off the sign, I am just going ahead and sanding it down, making sure it's nice and smooth for the paint. I will be removing that little rope that is hanging and covering it with some spackle and just going ahead and painting it white. And I only did one layer, but you can do 2 layers. But once that was done and finished drying, I went ahead and printed this stencil out with my Cricut, and I will just be weeding the letters out and everything and just getting that ready to put it on my board. I got some transfer paper and added it to that, and then I just put it over my board. And I just placed the stencil over the board. And once I went to go and place it on the board, I was trying to make sure that the stencil was at the center, so make sure not to adhere it the first time. Don't set it down fully, just kind of lightly set it until you are finally satisfied with the placement. And so I just went ahead and then placed that down and smoothed it. And what I'm using to smooth the stencil down is this tool from Dollar Tree that I found in the kitchen section, and I have used it for my vinyl, and it's actually pretty good. I like it. I just put tape on it because it is kind of rough and I don't want it to cut the vinyl, so I do put tape. And that was it for this DIY. It's so easy. Only take like 10 minutes to recreate this DIY, but I had so much fun recreating this one for Valentine's. And I can see this behind a tier tray or in a coffee bar section in your kitchen. So many things you can do with this sign. But anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this DIY, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new here. That would mean a lot to me. And hit that notification bell, that way y'all stay up to date with my videos when I do upload. And with that being said, until next time guys.